I request all the students kindly stand up on your places and give a huge applause. And welcome the child guests of this pleasant morning. I, Sakshi Varma, with my co-host Pratiksha, welcomes you all.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of night, similarly blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. With this note, I request to the dais, please come forward for lighting the lamp ceremony.
Achieved second rank in SSC Board year 2020-21. And the second guest we have Ms. Himashri Javdekar from Chawla English Medium School, scored third rank in SSC Board in year 2021. Hereby I would request Reverend Father Dr. Sheezan Thomas, CMI, to please step forward and welcome both the guests. of our school. Hereby, I would request Tamanna and supportive Sister Jency, General Coordinator of our school. Hereby, I request Ms. Barkha to please come forward and welcome respected Sister Jency.
Thank you, teachers. Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are. The future of the nation and the citizen of tomorrow. Only through right education can a better order of society be built up, said by Jawaharlal Nehru. With this note, let's all remember our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So I request respected dais, please come forward and garland the photo of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
the future of the country, said by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children's Day is celebrated across the entire nation to create an awareness for the rights of children, which includes their education and care. This day is celebrated as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on his birthday. He was very fond of children and was famous by the name Chacha Nehru among them. He always advocated for the children to have an education, a tribute to remember a great personality like him. Children's Day is to celebrate childhood. Our Children's Day tribute is paid to all children in the world. Children are loved by one and all. They win over our hearts with their angelic eyes and innocent smiles. It makes one realize that maybe that's the way God wanted us to be. There is something we can't buy. One of such things is childhood days. And that you will realize when you will grow old. So from my behalf, I wish all the children present here a very happy Children's Day. Let's learn more about the impact of this day. So here I request Sonali Khalane ma'am to please be on stage and make us all aware about the importance of today.
Ms. Mrunal Salvate and Ms. Himashri Javadekar. Our manager and principal, Reverend Dr. Shijin Thomas, HM respected Sangeeta Pawar ma'am, General Coordinator Reverend Sister JC, and today's attraction, none other than my loving teachers, my loving students, or children we have to say. Once again, a very happy morning to all. Dear all, today we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. So I would like to wish you all from bottom of my heart, Happy Children's Day to you. We are celebrating Children's Day on 14th of November, which marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. Pandit Nehru was immensely popular among children and was fondly called Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is the most auspicious day in the life of every child. Once Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of the country. Dear all children, you are the extraordinary blessings to any nation. You are the greatest gift to humanity. Children's Day is not all about giving gifts to kids and organize events for them. It is a day to realize their importance in nation building and provide them the opportunities to open their wings and fly high to achieve their goals. The main purpose of this celebration is to make all the citizens of India aware of giving right to children to get the education. You all have limitless potential and are useful human resources for the progress of the nation. You are not only a vital source of state but also a change agent. Children's fundamental duties towards the country are moral commitments and performing all the individual responsibilities. Duties of child towards the country are very important. They need to maintain their dignity, bright future and lead the nation towards a big developed country. It is needed that the people of the country keep the nation clean, free of corruption, free of social issues, free of crime, free of poverty, free of pollution, free of global warming and etc. To develop the nation, both adults and children need to understand their duties towards the country instead of blaming the government or somebody else for each and everything. On this special day, I want to tell you the views of Dr. APJ Kalam. which are very helpful to become you a successful person. Dr. Kalam suggested, always be ready for change, because nowadays change is undivided part of our life. Be creative, means think out of the box. Have a vision, see the high dreams, which does not let you sleep. Establish a connection with people, means you have to develop your interpersonal relationship with others. Always be humble, polite, sugar always should be on the tip of the tongue. Emerge as a good leader. Find the opportunities. It's a sad truth that opportunities doesn't knock twice. So my dear all children, take an oath on this auspicious day that you will be use your potential 100% and make yourself a best citizen of the country. And at the same time, as a teacher and parent, we should take an oath to not only serve children on Children's Day, but each day for their well-being and benefit and help them to accomplish their dreams secure. Once again, on the behalf of all the teachers, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Children, there are no words describe how special you are to us. Come on, let's enjoy this day with fun and laughter. In this part of the program, our teachers have prepared a phenomenal performance and want to present it in front of you. So let's welcome our teachers for their act.
Happy morning, dear students.
Happy morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. You are how?
I am also very fine. Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I am very fine because after Diwali we are meeting together. अभी दिवाली खत्म हुई है. सबकी मम्मियों ने बहुत सारी मिठाइयाँ बनाई होगी. बनाई थी कि नहीं? बताओ संदीप, आपकी माँ ने क्या बनाया था?
मिस बालूशाही बनाई थी।
अच्छा, हर्षल, आपकी मम्मी ने बेटा?
शंकरपाळे बनाए थे।
वाह, बहुत अच्छा। प्रियंका बेटा, आपकी मम्मी ने क्या बनाया था?
मेरी मम्मी ने सेव पापड़ी बनाई थी।
अच्छा, मुझे बहुत पसंद है। स्मिता, आपकी तमन्ना, स्मिता, आपकी मम्मी ने क्या बनाया था बेटा?
जलेबियाँ बनाई थी।
अच्छा, मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो भी। रूबी बेटा, आपकी मम्मी ने क्या बनाया था?
मेरी मम्मी ने लड्डू बनाए थे, लड्डू।
संदीप, क्या चल रहा है? लड्डू खिलाऊंगी। ठीक से बैठो। क्लास में कैसे बैठना चाहिए? तमन्ना, आपकी मम्मी ने क्या बनाया था बेटा?
मिस, मेरी मम्मी ने ना चकली बनाई थी, गोल गोल।
चकली गोल गोल ही होती है। ये ऐसा क्या आंसर है? ओके, तो मैंने भी बहुत सारी मिठाइयाँ बनाई थी, लेकिन मैं ना आप लोगों से बहुत नाराज हूँ।
क्यों मिस?
आपकी माँ ने इतनी सारी मिठाइयाँ बनाई और आप मेरे लिए मिठाई लेके नहीं आए, ये क्या बात हुई भला?
मिस, हर साल हम ही लाते हैं, एक साल तुम भी लेके आओ ना।
ये भी सही बात है, हर साल आप मुझे खिलाते हो। अभी मैं क्या करूँगी बच्चों, नेक्स्ट पीरियड आऊंगी ना, आप लोगों के लिए ढेर सारी मिठाइयाँ लेके आऊंगी। अभी ठीक से बैठो। यस बेटा, मेरे लिए काजू कतली लाना। आपके लिए काजू कतली और किसी
मिस,
कुछ
काला
खाना?
चावल, काला चावल।
थोड़ी देर बाद तुम लोगों को ना दिवाली के लड्डू ही खिलाने वाली हूँ, रुको तुम थोड़े।
मिस, लड्डू
तो
कौन खाएगी?
अभी हो गई है दिवाली की बात। दिवाली से पहले मैंने आप लोगों को होमवर्क दिया था, सभी को याद है?
नहीं।
सभी ने पूरा, क्यों संदीप, क्यों नहीं?
इस टाइम पे मिला पटाखे फोड़ने में।
ये क्या जवाब हुआ? दिवाली का होमवर्क है, अचार डालने के लिए देखे रखा था मैंने। होमवर्क करना जरूरी बात है। अभी मैं दिवाली के होमवर्क के ऊपर अगर आपकी टेस्ट लूंगी तो फिर क्या करोगे आप? ये बुरी बात है। तो आज हम पहले दिवाली के होमवर्क की रिवीजन कर लेते हैं, ओके?
May I come in, ma'am?
यस धनंजय, व्हाई नॉट? बच्चों, फ्रॉम आवर क्लास धनंजय इज वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट। व्हाई ही इज गुड? टेल मी।
If you will let us play.
Yes, because he is coming always late. Big claps needed for him. धनंजय बेटा, आप इतनी
देरी से क्यों आए?
Miss, I am late because I am dead.
ओ शेर, इधर आके बैठ।
धनंजय, आपने कारण नहीं बताया क्यों देरी से आए?
ओ मेरी साइकिल पंचर हो गई थी मैम।
देखो बच्चों, आए दिन आप जो लेट आने का एक कारण बताते हो ना, मैं अब क्या करूंगी, नेक्स्ट पीरियड से जो देरी से आएगा उसको डायरेक्टली एचएम मैम के केबिन में लेके जाने, फिर मैडम जाने और आप लोग जाने। ओके, अभी रिवीजन की शुरुआत करते हैं।
मिस ये मार रहे मुझे पीछे से।
संदीप, you are very naughty student from our class.
Miss,
I will give you punishment.
मिस मैंने मार मारा।
This is not fair. This is not fair. In revision time, you should concentrate only on study. Is that clear what I am saying?
Yes.
Okay. बताओ फिर मुझे, ताजमहल किसने बनवाया?
मिस्त्री ने मिस्त्री ने।
What is this तमन्ना? मिस्त्री। ऐसा आंसर देना अच्छी बात है क्या?
मिस ठेकेदार ने बनाया।
ये क्या चल रहा है मेरे क्लास में? कोई कह रहा है मिस्त्री, कोई कह रहा है ठेकेदार।
अरे ओ किसकी तो भी जान, कौन सी जान?
मिस शाहजहां।
Yes, from our class, Ruby is very good and clever girl. Big clap student for Ruby. Very good बेटा Ruby. Yes, शाहजहां ने बनवाया था अपनी बेगम मुमताज की याद में। ओके, बच्चों, आप लोग आए दिन जो कक्षा में ऐसे झगड़े करते हो, डिसिप्लिन लीडर्स हम अरेंज करके रखते हैं आउटसाइड, तभी कि जाते समय किसी को पुश करोगे, किसी को कुछ करोगे, ये अच्छी बात नहीं। झगड़ा क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए बताओ तो जरा, बताओ तो जरा। यस बेटा संदीप।
मिस, अगर हम झगड़ा करेंगे तो एग्जाम में क्या पता किसके पीछे बैठना पड़ जाए।
मतलब इसका अर्थ हुआ क्या?
आंसर नहीं बताएंगे।
क्यों नहीं?
झगड़ा
मतलब एग्जाम में किसके पीछे बैठना पड़ जाए मालूम नहीं, इसलिए झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए। देखती हूँ तुम लोगों को, अभी इन्विजिलेटर के तौर पे मैं ही आने वाली हूँ, देखती भी कैसे करते हो। ओके, ये तो हुई बात। बताओ मुझे, अभी मैं आप लोगों को क्या करूंगी, एक मुहावरा देती हूँ हिंदी का, उसको आपको वाक्य में परिवर्तित करना है, वाक्य में डालना है। मुहावरा है मुंह में पानी आना। यस धनंजय।
मैंने नल को मुंह लगाया और नल चालू किया तो मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया।
वो नल का पानी नहीं, ऐसे जवाब देते, एकदम ऐसे लिखोगे तो वहां पे फादर मुझे पूछेंगे कि कौन सिखाते हैं हिंदी यहाँ पे, ऐसे नल चालू कर दिया। हाँ, दिस इज नॉट फेयर। वो वाला पानी नहीं, ठीक से सुनो, मुंह में पानी आना। हाँ, यही पानी, लेकिन इसको वाक्य में परिवर्तित करना है।
मिस चिंच को देख के मुंह में पानी आ गया।
वेरी गुड। लेकिन बेटा स्मिता, हिंदी में चिंच नहीं बोलते, चिंच वर्ड इज इन मराठी, हिंदी में इमली बोलते। जैसे ही मैंने इमली देखी मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया, ये हुआ उसका परिपूर्ण आंसर। ओके, ये तो बात हुई हमारी हिंदी की। बताओ बच्चों, दुनिया की सबसे पुरानी चीज कौन सी है?
मिस,
ज़ेब्रा। कैसे बोला, मुझे नहीं समझ में आया।
क्योंकि वो अभी भी ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है ना।
मतलब आप लोग ऐसा अर्थ ले रहे हो क्या कि पुराने जमाने में मूवीज ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट रहती थी, इसके लिए? बाप रे बाप, क्या करूं इन बच्चों का। आप लोग ना खोज करने के मामले में साइंटिस्ट लोगों को भी पीछे रख दोगे। एकदम एक से बढ़कर एक नमूने हैं मेरे क्लास में। ये हुई। अभी एक बात बताओ बच्चों, वास्को द गामा, उसके बारे में मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था। तो वास्को द गामा भारत में कब आया था?
मिस,
यस प्रियंका।
ठंडियों के मौसम में।
ठंडियों के मौसम में कैसे बना?
मिस मैं बोलूं?
यस धनंजय।
अरे वो मस्त है ना, पॉपुलर में क्या था ना, उसको देखा था मैंने, वो फोटो में था।
और आगे मुझे मिला था वो।
ठंडी होगी ना मिस।
कुछ भी, मतलब कुछ भी, कहा का कहा अर्थ लगा लेते हो तुम लोग। सारी की सारी राम नाम सत्य है कर दिया पढ़ाई का तुम लोगों ने। मुझे फिर से हर्षित बेटा क्या चल रहा है, मैं यहाँ क्या
मुझे
सिखा-
आंसर पता है।
बताओ बेटा।
वो मार्च महीने के 20 तारीख को 1998 में आया।
वेरी गुड। सी, हर्षित इज वेरी क्लेवर बॉय फ्रॉम आवर क्लास। बिग क्लास पीरियड फॉर हिम। वेरी गुड। क्या चल रहा है अभी? अभी क्या चल रहा था?
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन बोला।
ओके ओके, ये अच्छी बात है। ऐसे मामले में अगर एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट किया तो अच्छी बात होती है। बच्चों, आप लोगों को जब देखो पढ़ाई करते हो, क्योंकि एग्जाम पास आने होती है, तो पढ़ाई करते समय आपके दिमाग को एकदम तनाव से गुजरना पड़ता है, स्ट्रेस आता है। तो स्ट्रेस कम करने के लिए आप क्या करते हो? यस बेटा?
मिस मैं ना मंदिर जाता हूँ।
हाँ, क्योंकि मंदिर में जाके बच्चों ये प्रार्थना करता होगा, भगवान जो पढ़ाई मैं कर रहा हूँ एग्जाम में वो सारे सवाल वैसे के वैसे आए, मुझे जल्दी जल्दी याद आए, मेरा पेपर अच्छे से चला जाए, है कि नहीं बेटा?
नहीं, अरे मंदिर जाता हूँ, उधर की बहुत सारी चप्पल होती है, वो सबको मिक्स कर देता हूँ, और लोग जब आते हैं परेशान होते हैं, उनका तनाव देख के मेरा तनाव दूर हो जाता है।
ये बहुत बुरी बात है कहने से। मंदिर लोग प्रार्थना करने के लिए जाते हो और ऐसे काम करने के लिए जाते हो, तो इसीलिए आप लोग है ना पढ़ाई से बहुत दूर जा रहे हो। और ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में भी आप लोगों ने कितना कुछ किया है मुझे मालूम है। मैं यहाँ पे सिखाती थी। कोई चाय वाय पीता था, कोई ब्रेकफास्ट करता था, किसी की तो आँख ही नहीं खुलती थी। Many times I told that time, switch on your camera. टीचर क्या कहती है, उधर ही कह दो टीचर को, मैं अपनी धुन में रहूंगा। बच्चों, ये बुरी बात है। अभी हम ऑनलाइन से ऑफलाइन आ गए हैं, तो पढ़ाई के ऊपर कंसंट्रेशन करना जरूरी है। हमारा सीबीएसई बोर्ड है, ठीक से पढ़ाई करोगे तो आगे जाके काम में आएगा। ऐसा करती हूँ मैं। अब आपकी छोटी सी टेस्ट लेती हूँ, ओके? थोड़े से दूर बैठो, ऐसे पास मत बैठो। चलो, लिटिल बिट। पास नहीं बैठना है हर्षद, लिटिल बिट नो। संदीप, क्या कर रहे हो? पीछे डिस्टेंस चाहिए। हाँ, सॉल्व दिस पेपर। हर्षद, पेपर सिर्फ मैंने बांटे तब तक ये कंडीशन है तुम लोगों की। हाँ, सॉल्व दिस ऑल क्वेश्चंस।
मुझे नहीं पता। सेकंड, अरे मुझे नहीं पता बोला ना। मुझे पता नहीं है। अरे और बोला ना, नहीं पता तो नहीं पता।
ओके, टाइम अप। गिव मी योर पेपर तमन्ना।
एक भी आंसर बताया नहीं बेटे, तू सिर्फ पास हो, फिर बाद में सावधान इंडिया में दिखाएंगे तो कैसे खत्म हुआ?
देखो मुझे तब दिखेगा ये।
क्या चल रहा था?
तब दिखेगा बात नहीं बोले।
मैंने आप लोगों के पेपर चेक किए। बच्चों, बहुत पुअर कंडीशन है। इतनी रिवीजन लेने के बावजूद आप ऐसे पेपर लिखते हो। अभी 25 तारीख से हमारी बोर्ड की एग्जाम है, तो वहाँ पे क्या करोगे? आप लोगों की मुझे फिर से रिवीजन लेनी पड़ेगी। ओके, अभी हम कुछ स्पेलिंग है उनको लर्न करवा लेते हैं, क्योंकि एमसीक्यूज है, वहाँ पे बहुत डीप पढ़ाई लगती है, तो पढ़ाई की हम शुरुआत करते हैं। लेकिन इस बार मुझे आउट ऑफ मार्क्स चाहिए, ओके? बेटा संदीप, कम हियर। ये यहाँ के जो स्पेलिंग है ये रीड करने, यहाँ पे खड़े रहो, बच्चों को साफ साफ दिखाई देगा। नहीं, ऐसे ही करो।
JAPAN, जापान। BRAZIL, ब्राजील। CANADA, Canada। फिलीपींस।
क्या पढ़ा? ये क्या है?
जापान,
ये क्या है?
ब्राजील,
ये क्या है? अपने क्लास की बहुत होशियार लड़की है, बुद्धिमान। तो आगे के स्पेलिंग वो एकदम अच्छे से आपको सिखाएगी। चलो बेटा स्मिता, अच्छे से रीड करके बताओ इनको, ओके? N-A-T-U-R-E, नटुरे, नटुरे। N-U-T-U-R-E, फुटुरे। क्या है ये?
फुटुरे।
G-O-O-G-L-E,
गुलगुले, 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 गुलगुले।
गुलगुले। बेटा स्मिता, क्या रीड कर रही हो आप? ये क्या है?
नटुरे पुटुरे गुलगुले।
नटुरे। और ये? फुटुरे। और ये? गुलगुले। ऐसी ब्रिलियंट कलर। निकल यहाँ से। बाप रे बाप, पढ़ाई का ये हाल है। अभी मुझे ऑनलाइन में इतनी मेहनत हम लोगों ने ली, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है ऑफलाइन में फिर से सब कुछ सिखाना पड़ेगा, तभी रिजल्ट आएगा। चलो फिर बच्चों के साथ पढ़ाई में फिर से जुड़ जाती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, dear teachers, for your wonderful act. So shall we conclude here? Yes, na? No? Okay, so what else do you want? Okay, so on the special request of our today's all the guests, dancing is a perpendicular expression of a horizontal desire. There are shortcuts to happiness, and dancing is one of them. So here I request our teachers to please step forward on the stage and fire it up.
anything you say, any action you do, it bears your signature. We are very fortunate to have with us florid guest Miss Mrunal Salunke. So here I request our loving guest to say few words and motivate our student.
Good morning everyone, honorable dignitaries, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today is 131st birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and on this occasion I would wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Friends, life is divided into many stages and the most wonderful stage is childhood. From my experience, I would say that the most wonderful and the most important stage is school life. We have many teachers who encourage and motivate us. We have so many friends. Also, we celebrate many programs in our school which give us the platform to express our talents, and it provides us a platform to be a good human being. So, you all should be a part of these programs. The most difficult task is to choose a good friend. A good friend is like a book. You should always be in a good company of friends, as people always judge you by your company. Our parents and our teachers are our well-wishers, and we should always respect them, we should always obey them and listen to them. We are so lucky that we are a part of Chawra family, as there are many children in the world who don't even have money to gain proper education. These children are not aware of their rights. They are far from education. We are the future of our country and we should work hard. We should take our duty and do something for our nation. We should see our nation as a developed nation in future. At the end, I would say that life is a one chance offer and we should do it well. With this, I conclude and wish you all the best for your future. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, dear. Memories play a very confusing role. They make us laugh when we remember the time we cried, but it makes us cry when we remember the times we laughed. Let us witness some memories through a video clip which will be running live on YouTube.
Of nature, reflection and experimentation. Observation collects facts, reflection combines them. Experimentation verifies, and the result of that combination. We all are aware that the success of any educational institution depends on the principal. The principal is the driving force who manage coordinator, teachers, students and handling various activities of the educational institute. With this note, here I request our beloved principal, Reverend Father, please come on the stage and to address us with your motivational thoughts.
So good morning, each and every one of you. Today, we are remembering such a greatest personality and our national pride, the first Prime Minister, dearest Chachaji, and his birthday. So first of all, from very outset in this august occasion, I wish all the greetings of Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. As usual, I'll speak just 3 words. In the world, everybody likes children. Everybody. Secondly, in the world, humans' prime important time is childhood. Thirdly, unforgettable period of lifetime is childhood. So, Children's Day is the greatest part and parts of life. Today, while we are celebrating in the name of our beloved Chachaji, the Children's Day, Loads and loads things we have to remember. I take this opportunity to share with you one incident which happened, a great inspiration. Probably you all heard, otherwise you can search through the incidents and part in the YouTube. One boy searched God with 50 rupees. That all you heard is a real incident. His uncle was not well, admitted in hospital seriously, and all the doctors were told it's not my hand or our hand, it is God's hand. Child don't know who is God. He had just 50 rupees. Then he entered in one shop and giving 50 rupees. And the shopkeeper asked, what do you want? He was telling, I want God. With a shouted voice, the shopkeeper see and shouted, get out from here. Like that he entered 70 shops. Everybody pushed out for searching this child's God. But he met one person. He answered this child, I will give you God. So this person took one bottle and filled with honey and gave to this child and told, this is God. With a successful person, the child ran very fast, raising right hand and keeping another hand, this honey reached the hospital and gave, but he got the God. The next incident, the operation has been done, it was a very success and completed, and this child was sitting with his uncle. That time, very big bill came. So after looking at that bill, the uncle eyes fell over the tears. Uncle was thinking, what will do for paying this bill? Within 5 minutes, the another person came from the conversation and telling, it's all bill paid. That time, the 71st shopkeeper came into the hospital nearby uncle and telling, this child was searching God of 50 rupees. I gave God and I paid. You see, this is the real child. This is what we can tell a gifted children. We can't substitute with childhood with anything. We can't substitute childhood with anything. Dear respected children, you don't know the value of childhood enough. But years and years. One more incident I'll share with you. So I was very much fond of going on stage in my childhood. Nobody gave me the chance to go on stage. I begged many legs, but I couldn't get it. It was my prime intention to go on stage and say a few dialogue. That was my greatest intention. Many fees came. They went. Nobody called me even for the drama or anything. Once I was remembering still, at the study of 7th standard, all the program concluded, everybody went from the church. The stage was empty. Not a single person there. That time I'm remembering now. Going on stage and I kept a dialogue on, still I'm remembering now, that Julius Caesar dialogue. You too, Brutus, still I'm remembering. Nobody was the audience, no stage keepers, nothing else. That's why childhood is the greatest time. Another incident I will tell. So I went for the conclave. Then they asked me one question, one simple question. Father, do you remember anything from your childhood? I was just thinking and remembering and telling. I'm remembering one big mango tree in front of my school. It is there every day. We together with friends trying to hold that mango tree. I'm remembering that mango tree instead of maths, Hindi, English, everything. I remember the mango tree. Still another thing I also remember in the childhood, many things, no. See, we were in between school days, no. Our school time from 9 to 4. So in between we'll get a 1 hour lunch break. In that lunch break, we all friends playing on ground. Right, no. So one day, I was not interested to complete my game with that lunch time. Everybody went to class, still I am playing on ground. I was playing on ground and the maths teacher, you know the maths teacher very well no. I have a great doubt about the maths teacher, not our teachers, our school time teacher. The maths teacher always remembering whether they got a selection police. Then after the police they came as a maths teacher. Like that all the, so what you call, Lathi charge no. So that they are doing for that. So maths class, avoiding that maths class, still I was on ground. Still this things no. It's a memory no. So childhood is a gift. Childhood is a gift. Still I am remembering many things no. In my class, anyone is absent, all children were searching that. One day, I got fever, and you know very well, if you ask me one question, who is your greatest doctor in the world, always I'll tell my mother. Still I remember I got a fever. That time, now the system is different. Your parents will call high-tech hospitals. That time, see, my mother's hospital, nothing the place at kitchen. She prepared kala coffee and brought it. That is the greatest medicine for her. That is why my mother is a first doctor. But I was absent 2-3 days now. So still I am remembering now. See, from my class, my friends came to my house for searching. Why did you come? That time there was no mobile, sending the WhatsApp message, nothing else was there. Even the leave letter also. The friends came. So what I want to tell children, you are the best and greatest in the world, and your time never forget. Our justice proved that how will be the child is through their excellent dance performance. So wishing you happy Children's Day. Don't forget your childhood. And I take this opportunity to congratulate all our Children's Day arrangements. I don't have the words to express even the gratitude, but anyway, the childhood days. So I have a bad habit. Once it is stuck in my mind, it will be there 100 years. If I am asking one person's name, after 10 years, if I am meeting them, without thinking that name, I'll speak. It's a mistake maybe, but it is there. So childhood days, still I don't know whether you are remembering, whether first standard. I'm not remembering, I didn't go for this junior KG, senior KG, like that. I'm not remembering also that one. Directly first standard. First standard, first day, I'm remembering now. My mother only came with me first standard. And still, see, I'm remembering my birth date, mother told, and the school told that birth date won't work. We will give you one birth date. That's why I have 2 birthdays. One is in March, another one is in May. So this is still, I'm remembering now how I hold my mother's hand. This is the thing now. I don't know you all are remembering or not. But you should remember your childhood. Even I will tell you, after you are 10th standard, 12th standard, you forget all. But you can't forget your childhood. That is a gift. So, it's a very important day while celebrating Children's Day. In the world, children, you are really gift of God. Thank you so much. Happy Children's Day.
Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. Hereby, I invite respected Sir Kiran to please step forward and propose a vote of thanks.
Sister, all teachers and all my dear students. Very happy noon to all. Today it's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who really work hard to make this event possible. I am Kiran Patil, and behalf of Chawda Public School and the entire fraternity of the institution, first I extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event resounding success. I would like to thank today's chief guest, the center of attraction of today's program, and the representative of all the students, Mrunal Salunke and Hemashri Zavdekar for being here and spending your precious time for us. A very special thank goes to our respected principal, Father Siddharth Thomas, for being catalyst and motivate us and stimulate us to do our best and standing as a pillar of strength and power. So thank you very much, respected Father. I would also like to thank respected Headmistress Sangeeta Bowman, respected Sister Jancy, all teachers to spare time from their busy schedule and grace this occasion. So thank you very much all dear teachers. And now last but not the least, a big thank goes to all my dear students who made this Children's Day event memorable for all of us. So once again, thank you and have a great day. Thank you very much.